Hi, I'm Koya Webb, and I'm going to show you how to make my high protein pumpkin spice smoothie. So first we're going to start off with this milk. Yes, milk. It's not really milk. It's made with sprouted almonds and I absolutely love it. It's delicious. You can get it regular or you can get it with vanilla. With the one with just vanilla, I just drink it straight. So I'm going to fill it up to the max line on my NutriBullet, and it's actually a NutriBullet balance, so they actually could measure out how much nutrients you're putting in your smoothie or in a recipe. It's really cool as well. So to that, I'm going to add 2 to 3 bananas. Bananas, as you know, are high in potassium. I'm gonna pop that in there. Now, I actually recommend putting your dry ingredients in first, or your solid ingredients in first, and then putting your liquid, because as you can see, as I put things in, they go past the max line. So I'm actually gonna just use 2 bananas, and then you put in your favorite plant-based protein. I'm gonna put in a scoop of my Sun Warrior chocolate protein because I love chocolate. You can also use vanilla, but I like kind of the extra taste of the chocolate and the pumpkin spice. Oh, so good. Now I'm gonna add my pumpkin pie spice. So a lot of people think you need pumpkin, but you actually don't. You just need the spice. So if you want a lot of spice, add just 1 teaspoon. If you just want a little spice, add 1 teaspoon. If you want a lot, add 2. And you're good to go. You just screw the top on. All right, so we'll put that on, and now it's time for our blender boogie. All right, and we are done. That is all it takes. A little bit of boogie, a little bit of blending, and smells so divine. Let's drink up. Look at how delicious that looks. So simple, delicious, and flavorful. You gotta try this recipe. Comment below how you like it, if there's anything you wanna add, or your favorite pumpkin spice smoothie. Until next time, get loved up, love yourself, love others, and love the planet. Bye.